I got a 2017 Jeep Renegade, and the language is stuck in Italian. I've tried to go through the settings with no luck on the steering wheel here and try to change it. It's a pretty big pain in the butt, but yeah, that's Italian. And the way you fix it, I mean, I went to the manual and everything, try to look in the manual. The manual doesn't tell you how to fix it, but you're actually going to go to the radio over here and hit settings, and you're actually going to go to display, and you see language here, which actually still says English, but what you're going to do is we're going to go ahead and change it to Spanish. Okay, if we look, it changed to Spanish, and we're going to go back to English. Okay. And then now it's in English. Okay, so apparently there's some type of problem with the software where this thing just reverts back to Italian, because this car is European, I guess, or Italian or whatever. I probably got that wrong as hell, but that's how you temporarily fix it if it ever happens to you.